Hello and good Monday morning. I'm meteorologist Sean McAday. For this Memorial Day, there is going to be chances for severe weather, but there's also going to be some opportunities to get outside. Don't let the icon on your phone app, weather app, fool you. There is going to be some times to get outside. It will be hot, sticky, and windy, though, I'll say. Let's just talk about it first. What you should know above all else is that there's a chance for significant severe weather tonight. We are now at a 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather along I-35. That's places like Mason City, Albert Lea, Austin, Steele County, Winnebago County, Worth County, Hancock County. You get the gist. This is where we're tracking a chance for significant hail and windstorms possible later this evening. You see the timing here is around sunset, 7, 9, 11 p.m. tonight. Also, as these storms move from west to east, they're not going to be bringing multiple rounds of storms. It's probably one kind of one and done thing moving through later on tonight. And as they move from west to east, they're going to be weakening. Severe storms are possible in places like Rochester, Fillmore County, Floyd County, but they'll probably be much weaker than they were even an hour before they had moved into places like that as they move in from the west. Another thing to be aware of today is that it's going to be windy. Wind advisory out between noon and 8 p.m. today because the winds will be gusting 45 miles per hour. So for this Memorial Day, a couple of stray storms we're tracking this morning. We're seeing showers closer to like west of I-35. Then things aren't going to be rainy. Between lunchtime and about that afternoon, evening commute, if you're working today, that's when you can get outside. Just be sure to stay hydrated. It's going to be hot, humid, and windy today. Winds to 20 miles per hour, like I mentioned. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. So a couple of stray storms this morning. Then look, 5 p.m., it's in the mid 80s. It's hot outside. 87 in Rochester. Then 7 p.m., we're starting to track that line of storms moving in from the west to the east. As they move in from the west, they probably have some good energy to push out some large hail, an inch or two in diameter, winds gusting 60 or 70 miles per hour, and you can't rule out a tornado or two in this. It looks like the best chance for tornadoes actually probably closer to Mason City and south of Mason City as these storms move through. Then as they move from west to east, you can see they're starting to weaken away. They kind of turn to nothing, and then things are cooler for the rest of the week ahead. So kind of to recap what you need to know for this Memorial Day, we're seeing some stray chances this morning that lasted about another hour for a stray storm. Then we're tracking weakening storms moving in around sunset, still carrying with them a chance for severe weather. And I didn't mention this, but it's definitely worth the mention if you are traveling north or west today, or folks in western or northern Minnesota, big severe weather day there. We are expecting significant severe storms capable of long track tornadoes and a lot of damaging winds. 7-day forecast. Here's a look at that. After the stormy day today for Memorial Day, we track calmer weather and cooler temps for the rest of the week.